Hello guys, welcome to today's live video. My name is Nihant and I'm coming here from Aglogains. So if you're new to the channel, please do consider subscribing. Without further ado, let us get into today's topic of the day. So in today's video, what we are going to talk about is we are going to talk about Bank Nifty and Bank Nifty's live you know prediction of how it's going to behave tomorrow, what is my take on the whole market, and let's look at all of that. All right, so before we get started, I want to first talk to you about my current open positions. So overall for the day, I've made a total loss for the day of about 70,000 rupees. So you can also check my verified PNL here. The link is on my Twitter. The link is also in the description of this video. Okay. So totally, I think today we've had a PNL loss of 70,000 rupees. ROI is minus 1.7%, and the total capital is this is how much we trade with. Now, what made the loss happen today? First, let us talk about the intraday performance. So let us go ahead and intraday हम एक बार check करेंगे. So let me just move on to the 15-minute time frame here. So if you see in the 15-minute time frame, give me just 1 second, guys. So if you see in the 15-minute time frame, the markets have drastically moved up and down in a V shape today, right? So just give me a second. Let me just switch my screen. Right, perfect. So if you see the markets totally, they've started here at 920, okay? And then the markets have gone up significantly where my call stop loss was hit, and then the markets have slowly come down significantly, where my put stop loss has been hit, right? So that is the overall trade that our intraday position took. Now, if you see, I've also grouped this in a similar fashion. So this was a small 90 quantity that we had done, which gave us a loss of around 7,942. My positional trade has given me a loss of 14,000. Obviously, this is because of the Israel and Palestinian war, which has drastically brought down the market in the opening itself, right? तो अगर आप मार्केट को देखोगे, आज ओपनिंग में ही मार्केट अराउंड एक 200 पॉइंट या 300 पॉइंट के गैप डाउन से ओपन हुआ है. सो लेट अस जस्ट चेक दैट हियर. So market has closed here and then opened here, which was about 250 points gap down, which has led to a big loss in my positional strategy. Now, luckily, when I actually opened the market, we were at around, I think, 8,000 or 9,000 loss, or sorry, 12,000 to 13,000 loss. Then the market fell even further, right? Market और 200-300 पॉइंट नीचे गिर गए. तो यहाँ पे मेरा लॉस अराउंड 24,000 था. देन आई वाज एबल टू रिकवर एंड रिकूप द losses, and overall I've exited with a 14,000 loss on the positional strategy. Okay, let us see what happens tomorrow. Tomorrow is a new day. As I always say, our strategy will remain the same. We do an intraday strategy where in the strategy every day at 9:20 I go ahead and sell the call option that is closest to 500 or 300. So it could either be this, or here in this case this one, and put option also similar price, which is say around less than 500, so around 422 and 448. This is what I would do tomorrow at 9:20, okay, with a 20% stop loss on each leg. So if this is 448, what I would ideally do is say, let's go to calculator, and let's say 448 plus 20%, right? So this will, oh my bad, 448 plus 20% of 448, right? एक second here. Of 448, okay? So around 537 would be my stop loss on this. And that is how I execute the trade, right? Call stop loss and put stop loss is 20% of your entry price. If one of the leg hits, then you move the other leg to the cost, right? So we will talk more about this. I'm going to make a new video on intraday. How do I do my strategy? How do I enter this? So on and so forth. Now, let us come back to the main crux of today's discussion, which is how is Bank Nifty going to react tomorrow? कल का opening कैसे होगा? And what can you expect from the market overall? Okay. So if you see in the market, there is an easy method for all of you to predict how the market will be performing next day beforehand. Okay, so this is something that I'm going to talk about, a lot going forward. But I want to teach you this concept that there is a concept called gift nifty. Okay, many of you must have known this. Many of you do not know this. Then this is the right time to talk about it. Gift Nifty is something that runs or trades after 3:30. It goes on in our trading hours, but it trades till 1:30 in the night. Okay. And next day in the morning, it opens during Singapore time. Okay. So it opens at 6:30 a.m. Indian time. Okay. So you can actually wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning and see where Gift Nifty is. If it say opened with a big gap up or a big gap down, it will actually tell you where the market is most likely Nifty is going to open. Okay. And if Nifty opens with a gap up, usually Bank Nifty opens with a gap up. Clear? So now let us look at how Gift Nifty looks for the current day. Okay. So this is the chart of Gift Nifty. Gift Nifty measures the future price of Nifty that is trading in Singapore exchange. Simple. So now let us look at it. This is the 5-minute chart of Gift Nifty. If you see markets, Indian Nifty futures have closed at 335, 330, right? So where is our market? Say 330 here. This is where our market has closed. Okay. From here, the market has gone down. Then the market has come up, and currently it is trading at a 11 point distance, okay, at 11 point higher rate. This is not significantly a big gap up or a big gap down. What we will have to see is overnight if there is any big decisions or any big trades that will happen. It's 6:30 in the morning. You can open the same Gift Nifty chart and you will be able to tell if the market opens the gap up or a gap down. Okay. अभी के लिए फिलहाल for now it looks like there will not be a huge gap up or a huge gap down in the markets tomorrow. Simple. So that is how initially the markets are going to open. Now let us come to the other side of the equation. Let us do some long-term analysis of Bank Nifty and see at what levels is it trading at currently. Okay. So I will zoom back out and let us look at the daily chart of Bank Nifty. Okay. So if you see, this is Bank Nifty daily chart. Just remove this. ठीक है, तो ये बैंक निफ्टी का डेली चार्ट है आज के लिए. Now, if you see, Bank Nifty is close to a very crucial support that is here. 16th August को Bank Nifty ने lowest low mark किया था, that is around 43,600. Okay. Currently, today's market's Bank Nifty low is 43,796, so 200 points above. Tomorrow, most likely the market might go down because we are in a downtrend. But the minute it touches this level of 43,700 to 43,600, it might actually see some resistance there. And if in the lower time frames, which means say in the hourly chart or 4 hourly chart, अगर कल आपको एक positive direction मिलता है, for example एक bullish engulfing candle that is followed up by or rather a doji candle that is followed up by a bullish engulfing candle, then that is a good sign that market might reverse in the lower time frames. That is when you can take call positions towards the upside. Okay. Again, guys, this is all for educational purpose. Please do your own research before you take any position. My own disclosure is I'm a non-directional seller. So even though I have a bias that the market might reverse in the next couple of days, if this support holds, very critical, if this support holds, only then market might reverse. If it does not hold, which means अगर कल मार्केट 43,600 के नीचे अगर वो क्लोज करता है डेली चार्ट में, then the support did not hold. Okay, or rather support is very weak, right? sellers have pushed through and the support has broken. उसके बाद 2-3 दिन थोड़ा crucial होंगे, but you will see if market take a direction. Okay. Now, how would I trade tomorrow's setup? Simple, guys. Let us wake up in the morning. Let us see that, say, Bank Nifty has opened at a similar point. Okay. Say, for example, Bank Nifty has opened somewhere at, say, this level. Okay. Or this level, which is, similar, say, 100 points, 100 points up, 100 points down. Okay. If the market is coming down, I will start paying close attention once it crosses 43,720 or 43,700 levels. Okay. Once the market crosses 43,700 levels, I will try to see if there are any signs for reversal. What are the signs for reversal? It could be a doji candle that is formed on the 4 hourly time frame or an hourly time frame or a 15-minute time frame. Okay. Followed by a bullish confirmation, which is an engulfing candle, right? It could be bullish engulfing candle, then I might think about taking any bullish positions. Okay. If the market has opened with a gap up, then my bias would be that the market will go down. Okay. Because I think market wants to test this level. There are signs that the market wants to test this level. There is another reason why I'm saying this is if you see the RSI here, RSI is currently at 50, right? Which means it is not highly oversold, even though the market has been falling for so long. Say if I go to 15-minute time frame or hourly time frame also, uh, let us just remove this for a second. Okay, so we're almost done. Cool. So even if on the 15-minute time frame, okay, the market has still not reached an oversold position. Now let us go to the hourly time frame. Okay, let us see. Or let us see the 4 hourly time frame. That will be much easier. Okay. Now in the 4 hourly time frame also, if you see the RSI for the 4 hours is still rolling. I think trading is a bit slow today, guys. What about you? Are you feeling the same? Even in the 4 hourly time frame, the RSI is still at 40. Okay. Oversold condition of RSI is it should be less than 70, which is minus 70. Okay. So right now also, if you see RSI is somewhere here. Okay. It is nowhere close to being oversold. So I think if market opens with a gap up, okay, market most likely will come down, test this level here, यहाँ से नीचे आएगा, इस लेवल को टेस्ट करेगा, फिर यहाँ पे अगर कुछ डोजी या बुलिश रिवर्सल आएगा, then it might go back up. Clear? That is my overview on the market. I'm again going to tell you what are my trades for tomorrow. My trades are very simple. Tomorrow is one day before Bank Nifty expiry, which is on Wednesday. So every day, or rather tomorrow at 9:20 in the morning, I'm going to enter a call option that is closer to 500 rupees sell, a put option that is closer to 500 rupees sell with a 20% stop loss on both the legs. If one of the legs, which means if market goes down, my put leg stop loss will be hit. I will move the call leg to the cost, which means my maximum loss for tomorrow, because I've increased my quantity, the maximum loss for tomorrow should be around 60,000 rupees. Okay, that is intraday I'm talking about. If it goes higher side, then I have a huge profit potential. Let us see. What I'll also do is, guys, going forward in the next 1 to 2 days, what am I going to do? Is I'm actually going to record an intraday video where I'm going to talk about everything related to the intraday strategy that we have just mentioned. Okay. I will also share a Google Sheet with you that tracks my daily P&L for intraday. I use that for my internal purpose. I use that to measure my performance and see how my drawdowns are or how my profits are. I will share that with you also so that you will see the value in this. So this sheet I will be sharing on my Twitter account, because I've recently created a Twitter profile and I'm trying to grow that with your support. We are a family of 600 people here on YouTube. So if you think my content is fun and you're learning something from this, please do go ahead and follow me on Twitter. Tomorrow in the morning, I will be posting my Google Sheet that tracks my daily PNL on my Twitter account, and my Twitter handle is Nihant Guntur at Nihant Guntur. This is my Twitter handle. It is also mentioned in the video's description. Please do follow me here because here is where I will be posting the Google Sheet for my daily PNL for the last, I think, 6 7 months. I have everyday data of how this intraday strategy has been performing for me specifically. Okay. If this is something that interests you, please do subscribe to the channel and follow me on Twitter. I will be posting daily updates and we will form a bigger community. Okay. If you guys have any doubts about trading, or if you have any doubts about Bank Nifty or how to do straddles or option tradings, please do not hesitate to reach out to me, guys. I'm a small YouTube channel now. I would like to grow with all of your support. So please do reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to help any of you guys. Okay. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, please do subscribe. My name is Nihant. You guys have a good night and we'll meet tomorrow and trade together. Okay.